Hi guys, Mike here from aux Import. Today we're going to find out a bit about CatCore and answer some of the most commonly asked questions. Today we're going to be testing CatCore with 80 meters of screen Cat5 cable, like you'd find with most front of house multi-cores. We're going to put a variety of different signals down it and we're going to see how it works. So let's get started with analog audio. As you can see, I've got a standard condenser microphone here, which I'm going to connect into channel 1 of the SMD stage box. That's connected to our SP cable breakout, which is connected to channel 1 of this console. Now, being a condenser microphone, of course, it does need 48 volt phantom power, which is being provided by the console via the CatCore system. And if I turn the fader up, you'll be able to hear me talking to you via this condenser microphone. Okay, so next up we're going to do AES audio. Now, running down 80 meters of cable like this is at the limit of what's recommended for AES. However, we're going to carry on by plugging in the AES output from this console straight into input 1 of this stage box. You'll be able to see on the screen of the amplifier there that that's now receiving a 48K signal. And if we put a test tone through it, you'll be able to see that that audio is getting through. Now, it isn't just audio that you can put through CatCore. Here we've got a setup using DMX, where you can see we've got a basic lighting controller connected to channel 1 of the cable break-in, and then a lighting fixture at the other end connected to channel 1 of our stage box. You can see if I push the faders up here that I've got control of this lighting fixture via the CatCore system. And it's worth mentioning that all CatCore products are available in either 3 or 5 pin, whichever is more convenient for what you're doing. Okay, so we've got our basic TecPro system set up here. We've got a TecPro comms PSU on this side connected directly to one belt pack, and then a second belt pack running through our CatCore system. If I press the signal button, you'll be able to see the light switching on at both ends, showing that power and signal are getting to both ends of the system. And similarly, if I talk down the system, you'll be able to hear me talking through the TecPro. Okay, so next up we've got a micro cue system. We've got our stage end receiver here connected via our CatCore system to our front of house repeater as well. You can see that if I press the forwards or backwards buttons on the transmitter, that is being shown at both ends of the micro cue. Next, we're going to look at a countdown timer system. This is commonly used on a lot of corporate events in order to give the person presenting an amount of time that they have left. Now, this runs with a base station, usually at front of house, and this remote screen, often on the lectern or wherever the presenter is standing. Now, the power and the signal for this all runs down an XLR cable, in this case all running through our CatCore system. And you can see that if we start a countdown running on the screen, that starts to appear and works perfectly through CatCore. Finally, we're going to have a look at a Cue Light system. We've got a base station here connected into channel 1 of our stage box with our remote display connected to channel 1 of the cable breakout. You can see that if I start to put information into the base station, that's now shown on the remote display. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video today. I hope you found this informative and it's shown you just how versatile CatCore can be. If there's anything else you want to know, then you can find all our contact details on our website, auximport.co.uk.